people often ask is, can I sew at full speed? Can I embroider at full speed? And the answer is yes. We're working through all the Husqvarna Viking tutorials on the Designer Epic 3, and let's just explain a little bit more about the functionality of being able to adjust the speed of the machine. So if you find your machine maybe going a little slow, possibly some small little fingers came and found a little lever that they could play with. So just give that a little bump up and your machine will be running full speed, okay? Now, as we work with decorative stitches, one of the things that sometimes people like to do is actually sew without having to hold the foot control down. And we can do that by just pushing the start-stop button. But sometimes the machine is going to be stitching faster than you want it to go. So adjusting it a little slower will maybe find a more happy, controllable speed that will let you just stitch. Now I am a fan of touching the scissor button, and then that way it will just finish the decorative stitch, lock it, and cut it all at the end, and without me having to do anything with the foot control. Now another thing I do love with the speed control is to sometimes use it for when a youngster might be sewing. So if you're teaching somebody to sew and you've just gone ahead and selected a straight stitch, maybe they're sewing a pillowcase together. I remember when teaching my daughter to sew is that they're not used to like stepping on a foot control like driving a car so much, but they have the ability to easily push the button and just be able to watch the needle stitch, and then also to push that same button to stop. I feel like they can do all of that really close and not have to think about their foot or the foot control and driving and this and that. This is a great way to let them try out sewing with just a push of the button. Slow it all the way down and you'll find that those little ones are going to love to come sit with you and do some sewing and learn what it takes to thread a machine and sew something together themselves. Now, the third thing I do like to use the speed control for is when I free motion quilt. So in the free motion settings, I'll often set this for a medium to 3/4 speed, and that way when I'm free motion quilting, that all kind of gives me like a cruise control level of keeping my hands moving at the same speed the machine is moving to get nice even stitches. And that is just something that takes a little practice, but if you have it too slow, then you start to kind of get really big stitches. If you have it too fast, sometimes it's going too fast and you just can't do it all. But finding kind of that happy middle is often ideal for mastering free motion quilting on this machine. We'll do a video on setting up your machine for free motion quilting, but speed control will be one more thing that we will talk about at that point. So find your happy speed, but do note when you're embroidering, you should be able to run this machine at full speed and not have to slow it down for too much. I am a full speed ahead girl when I have the embroidery unit and the hoop all attached.